All right, today we're back with another hack. We are doing a 2008 Chevy Impala, all keys lost. Let's go. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and break this ignition. How you do that, you're going to pop off the top part there, and then what we're going to do is take off the ignition lips. You want to be careful with these lips because they are very gentle. Now there's a little tunnel there. You want to stick a little pick tool in there to give it some resistance. Now you get your rake tool and you go ahead and rake the ignition a few times. Okay, after you rake the ignition a few times, you want to get a flathead screwdriver, and with the ignition you want to twist it and it'll cut on. Now to pop the ignition out, you want to rotate it a little bit more until it almost cuts on, and then hit it with the pick knife and pop it out. Now, after you done popped it out, you want to get the key code off of that ignition, cut the key, put everything back together, and back in the car we go. Now, what we're going to do is program the key with another auto. Very simple. We just follow the simple instructions. We're going to go to Chevy. And we're going to automatic selection, read the VIN. Perfect. Now we're going to do emo scan. Now in emo scan, what we're going to do is all keys lost. All right. Now what we're going to do is follow the steps verbatim, step by step, because this is a process. Okay. Now it's giving you all these pull-ups. You know, you just read it and say yes and okay. Now it's about to do a 12-minute process. This 12-minute process is basically erasing all the keys. No problem. Let it do its thing, and I'll be back when it cuts back on. All right, and we're back. Now all the keys are successfully erased now. Now what we want to do is turn off the car so that we can program each key. Now you want to put each key in that you want programmed, turn it on and then off, take it out, turn the next one on and then off, and then take it out again, and then hit OK. Now, you just wait 2 minutes to see if they program. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. You know, just keep hitting OK. Once you say OK and everything says it's complete, if you're not programming remote control, you hit no at the end. Now we'll turn the car on. It works. Beautiful. All right, we'll take that key out, put the next key in, see if it works. Excellent. And that's how you do it. 2008 Chevy Impala. Like and subscribe.